Tired of your car looking like a forgotten snack aisle or your desk covered in crumbs? We get it. What if cleaning could actually be fun? Say hello to the MBNGF X9 Ultra, the cordless car vacuum that's more than just a pretty face. With 35,000 Alzin PA suction, it devours dirt, pet hair, and mysterious crumbs. It's not just a vacuum. It also has a powerful blower function, blasts dust out of vents, or even inflates small items. Talk about a multitasker. No more wrestling with tangled cords or searching for outlets. This portable powerhouse is completely wireless, giving you ultimate cleaning freedom. It comes with 2 long-lasting batteries, offering up to 60 minutes of cleaning time. Tackle your car, home, and office without a single recharge. Maintenance is a breeze with its reusable filter. Just rinse and reuse. It's designed for easy operation, so you spend less time fussing. It's lightweight, compact, and comes with a handy carrying case. Keep it in your trunk for on-the-go messes or store it neatly at home. Ready to transform your messy zones into sparkling sanctuaries? The MBNGF X9 Ultra is your secret weapon. Grab yours today with the link in the description. Your clean future awaits.